सोचिए जब घर में एक बच्चा बीमार हो और चाइल्ड इज सिक इन द फैमिली एंड वी आर रनिंग आउट ऑफ मनी, देन द पर्सन शुड डू व्हाट? आइदर he will go to his master organization, and if they deny the service, if they deny their wants, then in that case what a person should do? तो चलिए आज हम बात अठन्नी की में से 3 important questions डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं. We are going to discuss 3 important questions and we are not doing rata over here as I told you. We are not doing any rata. We will break through the point and we will understand it better. So this is one of the important question which can come in your exam and the extract is एक दिन रसीला को उदास देखकर कारण पूछा. पहले तो रसीला छिपाता रहा, फिर रमजान ने कहा कोई बात नहीं है तो खाओ सौगंध. Now as per this extract there will be 3 questions which I have explained over here. Let's move to the question. The first question is Ramjan और रसीला का संबंध. How was the relationship between Ramjan and Rasila? Now obviously if their masters are neighbor, they will also be friends. So now if they are friends, if they are neighbors, obviously they will share some sense of belongingness. तो अपना उनके व्यवहार में इनको अपनापन का रिश्ता था. Now if their behavior is same and if they are friends, so obviously their likings will also be same. Both will have some common likes, right? So what we can write the answer? We can write the answer रमजान और रसीला में मित्रता का संबंध था. So how was their relationship? They were having the relationship of a friend. To what we can write? उनके व्यवहार में अपनापन था. In their behavior, sense of belongingness was there. दोनों मालिकों की पसंद से आपस में मिठाई और आम बांटते थे. उनके रिश्ते में समानता और सद्भाव का रिश्ता था. So if they're staying closer, if they're staying as neighbor, so whatever their master likes, obviously they will also share a common like, right? They will share the sweets and mangoes to each other. उनके व्यवहार में समानता और सद्भाव का रिश्ता था. They share equal relationship among both of them. So if you want to expand the answer, you can write this third point. उनके व्यवहार में समानता और सद्भाव का रिश्ता था. Now here moves the second question. Now second question is उदासी का reason. Now you tell me, if a person is sad, what could be the reason? Obviously, maybe family, maybe salary, right? So first reason is बच्चे, children. What was the reason he was sad? So first reason was children. They were sick. Now if they are sick, he don't have the money. वेतन खत्म हो गया था. His salary was over. Now, so these 2 points, बच्चे and salary is the 2 important keyword for this question. So if salary is over, he will not be able to send the amount to home. So how we can write the answer? We can write the answer रसीला के उदास होने का कारण था कि उसके बच्चे बीमार थे. His children were sick. उसका वेतन खत्म हो गया था और घर भेजने के लिए पैसे नहीं थे. His salary was over and there was no money left with him. मालिक ने भी पैसे देने से इनकार कर दिया. Even his master has denied to give any amount of help to him. Now the third question comes here. The third question is समस्या का समाधान. Now what is his समस्या? Obviously what was his sadness? That is only समस्या. That is only his problem. Now what could be the solution? First, the children should get well. Second, he should get some amount so that he can send it to home. First one will be his family. Now his family is poor, so they cannot give the amount. Next, he can go to his friend and then he can go to his master. He went to his master, but his master denied it. So finally he went to his friend. When his friend saw Rasila's sadness, he approached him. What is the cause of his sadness? So this is the solution, how Rasila can solve it. So the answer you can write, रसीला का परिवार बहुत गरीब था और बच्चों की बीमारी के इलाज के लिए पैसे नहीं थे. As his family was poor and there was no money left with them for the treatment of his kids. रसीला ने अपने मालिक से पैसे बढ़ाने की बात कही लेकिन उन्होंने मना कर दिया. He asked his master to increase the salary but he denied it. तब उसका मित्र रमजान खुद गरीब होकर भी रसीला को पैसे देकर मदद की. Then his friend Ramjan, even though he is poor, he helped his friend with the money. So today we have discussed these 3 questions. So learn it with the help of keywords. We'll meet you soon in the next video with some more question answer. Then like, share and subscribe. Hindi पे English चर्चा.